Hi everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Japanese beef curry. Okay, so this is what we need. We need the beef chuck or boneless short ribs. We also need carrots, potatoes. We need onions, curry powder, soy sauce, garam masala, minced garlic, minced ginger, cooking oil, rice vinegar or rice wine or pwede ring mirin. And then one brown sugar. We also need fresh Fuji apple grated, salt, pepper, and chicken stock. And then a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and starch dissolved in 1/4 cup water. I'm gonna enclose the right amount of ingredients dito sa description box. Okay, so before we cook the beef, uh, isi-season lang natin siya ng salt and pepper. And then, siguro iaano natin siya ng mga at least 10 minutes bago natin i-fry. Basta siguraduhin lang natin na malagyan natin na season natin siya ng maigi. Okay, so in the pan, in medium-high heat, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil or cooking oil. And then, i-fry muna natin yung ating beef ng at least maybe hanggang mawala yung pagka-pink niya. So, gagawin natin by batches, no? Kasi para hindi maiwasan yung pagka nilagay kasi natin lahat, magtutubig uh, yung ating beef. So, masyadong crowded. So, intayin lang muna natin siya yung kalahati niya maging golden brown. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung remaining na beef. Okay, so after na mag-golden brown, ayan na, ilalagay na natin yung ating grated fresh Fuji apple. Ayan, one whole Fuji apple po yan. And then, ilalagay na rin natin yung ating onion. Mga 3 pieces of chopped onion yan. Ilagay natin siya. Haluin lang natin siya ng mabuti hanggang mag lanta na yung ating onion and ating apple. And then, followed by, after nyan, ipa-follow na natin yung ating ginger, yung minced ginger, and then minced garlic. And then, pati yung mirin natin, ilalagay na rin natin yung mirin. Yung ating rice wine. So, ilalagay natin yung 3 tablespoons of rice wine. Then, haluin lang natin siya hanggang mag-incorporate yung ating mga ingredients. Okay, so after nun, ilalagay na natin yung ating curry powder. 3 tablespoon of curry powder. And then 1 tablespoon of garam masala. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Pwede kayong gumamit ng molasses. Kung walang molasses, 1 tablespoon of molasses. Pag wala kayo nun, brown sugar ang ilagay mo. And then, lalagay na rin natin yung ating 4 cups of chicken broth. Basta hahaluin lang natin siya hanggang mag-incorporate yung ating mga nilagay na ingredients. And then, ilagay na natin yung ating chicken broth. So, 4 cups of chicken broth. So, mag-a-add pa tayo ng water, of course. Kasi it depends yun sa beef na binili nyo. So, kung matagal pa kuluan yung ating beef, of course, we have to add more water. So, mag-wait siguro tayo ng mga 45 to 1 hour. Depende sa beef natin. Sarado muna natin yung ating pan. And then, hanggang lumambot siya. And then, tingnan natin siya later on. Okay, so just make sure na tinitingnan natin yung ating pinakukuluan. Tingnan natin kung nagre-reduce ba yung sabaw niya. So, pagka medyo nakikita natin na hindi pa masyadong malambot, siguro mag-a-add tayo ng water. Basta, i-check natin na para hindi matuyo yung ating beef. Okay, so, pag medyo alam na natin na lalambot na yung ating, malapit na lumambot yung beef, lalagay na natin yung ating carrots at saka yung ating potatoes. And then, syempre, ayan, nakita natin konti yung sabaw niya, no? So, pag nilagay natin yung carrots and potatoes, maglalagay tayo ng additional 2 cups of water. Siguraduhin natin na lulubog yung, kailangan kasi lumubog yung ating potato and ating carrots. Yan, papakuluan ulit natin siya. Hanggang lumambat yung ating carrots and potato. So, takpan natin. Okay, so luto na yung ating, malambot na yung ating carrots and potatoes. So, we're going to put the last ingredients, which is 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour and 1 tablespoon of potato starch. I-dissolve natin sa 1/4 cup of water. And then, gagamit tayo ng sieve. Ilagay natin dun sa gitna ng pan. And then, i-ano lang natin siya. I-mix through lang natin yung ating mixture ng flour and cornstarch. Hanggang masala. And then, kasi para hindi siya magbuo. So, pag hindi nyo matanggal dun sa sieve, just scrape off. Tapos, ilagay natin dun sa sauce ng beef. Okay, yan. It's done. So, yan ang nagpapalapot ng ating beef curry, Japanese beef curry. So, it's ready to serve. Pag ayaw nyo naman na masyadong too thick, so, just add water para hindi masyadong thick yung sauce. So, ayan. It's ready to serve, guys. Ayan, so, syempre, mas masarap to with rice, no? So, pwede rin nyo naman kainin to with pita bread, pwede rin nang with naan bread. So, kung ano yung gusto nyo na pwede nyo i-partner dito sa ating Japanese beef curry. So, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video for today. And I'm sure na magugustuhan nyo to. Medyo strong nga lang yung smell niya kasi dun sa garam masala at saka sa curry. But, masarap naman talaga. So, Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like the video, and please like and subscribe. Bye!